Hey everyone, I'm new here on YouTube. I like to push out some new content, try to make a passive income for myself and my family. And I'm gonna be basing the channel around gardening, cooking, and poems, and just daily life in itself. I'm gonna get started here today with a poem. It's called A Snowy Day's Embrace. So here we go. The world is hushed, a velvet white, as snowflakes dance in soft moonlight. Each one a star, a fleeting dream. They weave a quilt on earth's vast stream. The trees stand still in frosty lace, their branches bowed in winter's grace. The air is crisp, a whispered song, quiet tune that lingers long. Footprints fade where wanderers tread, a path of memories softly spread. The hearth inside glows warm and bright, a refuge from the pale moonlight. Oh, snowy day, so pure, so still, you calm the heart, you blend the will. A fleeting gift, a tranquil art, you wrap the world in winter's heart. All right, so that's a poem for today. And there'll be many more poems to come. And I'm going to be looking, like I said, to get into the gardening content. That's going to start up in March, April of this year, 2025. And some cooking. The cooking could involve my kids, as they're into cooking. We're into healthy eating. I've been disabled myself for about 10 years. I've come a long way back from back surgery. At my highest point, I weighed about 240 pounds, and through dieting, I've dropped 70 pounds, and I'm very proud to say I feel very good about my body at this point. And there's many ways to go around and talk about this stuff, but it's tough for some people. And you just have to have the will to just go and do it and feel good about what you want to take on in your life. There's going to be more gardening content. Like I said, that's going to be something that I've really taken to the last 4 years in my own yard. Me and my son, we've built different items out there, different structures with gazebos and trellises, greenhouses, and we're looking to eat healthy, grow our own food, and just daily life things to talk about, what's going on with everyone's just day-to-day routines. Are you happy? Do you feel good about yourself? What's bringing you down? Post them in the comments. We can maybe discuss different things. Maybe I'm doing something that you like. Maybe you're doing something that I might want to take on and enjoy doing myself. Just let me know in the comments. It'd be nice to get some subscribers and likes and comments, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to doing this every day and trying to get that extra income that I'm hoping will happen, but it's going to take a lot of work, and this is day one. Kind of nervous, so we'll see how it goes, and well, looking to see you back here next time. Thank you.